Thank you for watching Weekend Prime and welcome back. Now, junior secondary school teachers have vowed to continue with their strike despite the government promising to avail funds to better their welfare. The teachers staged demonstrations in various parts of the country castigating their employer, the Teachers Service Commission, for what they claim is using threats and intimidation instead of addressing their complaints. Our reporter Finical Watch with more details.
These are some junior secondary school teachers on strike. They are a crucial link in facilitating and implementing the new education curriculum in the country, CBC, which created the junior secondary school. They have vowed to continue with their strike, which has now lasted for 2 weeks. In Migori County, the teachers have condemned the Teachers Service Commission for resorting to threats instead of addressing their plight.
I'm so disappointed with TSC. So disappointed. Like they are giving us threats and intimidation. They are telling us to show cause. Why? I don't know why we should be showing cause, and yet we are not. We are not their employees.
We want money, and that money only comes through one union, which is P&P, which is what? P&P.
Supporting their colleagues, JSS teachers from Nakuru County, while speaking in Naivasha town, have vowed not to return to class until they receive letters of permanent and pensionable terms.
We are not going back until you are confirmed and compensated. 17K haiwezi kusustain marriage. Ndoa za watu zinavunjika, tuko na watoto, yafaa tuwalipie school fees, yafaa tuwalipie daycare, hiyo haitoshi. 17K hatutoshi. TSC confirm and compensate intern teachers.
Addressing the issue, the government, through the Education PS Benyo Kipsang, assured the teachers that funds will be availed to better their welfare and see the absorption of the teachers on permanent and pensionable terms.
We are assuring our young ones, the intern teachers, if they check in our budget for the next financial year, we have provided for their confirmation, because from day one we say that we shall be undertaking a 2-year internship program which will automatically take you.
Pesa inasemekana imetengwa, lakini hiyo pesa tujui imetengwa iko wapi. So, hatutaki maneno ya Januari. Hiyo hatutaki kusikia kabisa. Tunarudi shuleni na P&P letters.
The Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers has continued to support the teachers and their demands to the government.
Tunaomba kamati ya finance ya bunge iweke na committee ya budget iweke pesa ambazo zinastahili kuconfirm all the 46,000 JSS interns. Kama tujaona hiyo, kama finance committee haitaweka hiyo pesa katika bajeti ambayo inaendelea, basi sisi hatutarudi darasani.
The teachers have been in class for 2 years hoping to be employed on permanent and pensionable terms. This has not happened in spite of undertaking from the government. They also want to be paid more than 17,000 shillings they currently earn. Without this, they say the pupils will not be taught. Finik Oluoch, KTN News.
The Matatu Owners Association is opposing the provisions